Good morning and welcome back to our CBS 2 Day of Giving with the American Red Cross. I'm Ryan Baker. Inside of our CBS 2 lobby right now, volunteers are busy at work giving thanks to all of you, our donors. And there's so many ways you can give right now. You could scan the QR code or call the number you see right there at the bottom of your screen. Head to our website, cbschicago.com, or text Red Cross to 90999 and make a donation of just $10. On average, the Red Cross responds to 870 disasters across the Chicagoland area, most of them home fires. But a big part of their work every day is also fire prevention. Having a smoke alarm is a small thing, but it can have a huge impact on your family's safety. The Red Cross regularly sends teams directly into neighborhoods to sound the alarm, educating families and installing smoke alarms for free.
In 2018, there was a very tragic fire where 10 children perished. And as we know that one of the best ways to reduce needless death through home fires is to have functioning smoke alarms in people's homes. It's such a little effort can have such a fantastic result.
If you don't have a smoke detector, you can go to the Red Cross website and request an appointment for someone to come out and install one for you in your home. Let's take another live look at the Red Cross volunteers. Well, trust me, they're there. That's a nice setup in our lobby. They're in action this morning. Out on the street, they're giving out hot chocolate on this chilly Tuesday morning right outside of our CBS 2 studios. We'll be here on CBS 2 and on our digital streaming network, CBS in Chicago, throughout the day, sharing the stories of hope and resilience throughout 7 o'clock tonight. We'll hope you take a moment and give on this Day of Giving.